Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this video. In this video, I am going to tell you about an amazing application which you can use to translate a conversation from one language to another. So this video is going to be very helpful for you. But before I tell you further about the application, let me tell you two things. The very first one, this is not a promotional video. I just thought that this application might be useful for you, and which is why I am making this video. And the second thing that I want to tell you is, don't learn English with the help of translation. Yes, because learning any language with the help of translation is not an effective way to learn that language at all. Well, then the question is, you might be wondering, if translation is not a way to learn language, then why I am telling you about this translation application? Well, see, if you speak English but sometimes you get stuck, maybe you have a lack of some right sentence structures or some right vocabulary, and which is why you are not able to make a proper sentence. Okay, so if you are not able to make any sentence in English, so what you can do is, you can speak that particular sentence to the application in your mother tongue language, and then the application will translate that sentence into English. This is how the application helps you, and that time you can take help of application whenever you are not able to make proper sentences or you don't remember right sentence structures. Well, so the application name is Google Translate. This application is available for both the users, Android and iPhone. So you can download the application from Play Store, and the link of the application is down below in the description box. So you can click on it and download the application. So I will tell you now practically how you can use this application to translate a sentence from one language to another. So when you open the application, this is what it looks like. So there are two fields of languages, one is on the left and one is on the right. So in the left field, you need to select the language which you want to translate, and in the right field, you need to select the language into which you want to translate. For example, I want to make an English sentence, but I am not able to make that sentence because of lack of a sentence structure or some vocabulary. So what I am going to do here is, I am going to speak that sentence in Hindi to the application, and then let's see if the application translates that sentence into English. So for that, what I need to do is, I need to select Hindi on the left in the left field. Well, so I am going to select it here. So here I have selected Hindi, and now on the right side there is English. So now if I speak a Hindi sentence, it will be translated into English. That's what we will check now. So I have two choices, either I type that Hindi sentence or I speak that Hindi sentence. If I want to type it, then I just need to click here, enter text, and then I can type that Hindi sentence. But however, I am not going to use this option. I am going to speak that sentence. So for that, I need to click mic. So if I click on the mic, then I can speak that sentence. मुझे आपकी मदद की ज़रूरत है. Well, so I didn't know how to make English sentence of this Hindi sentence, and I used this application, and now you can see it has translated from Hindi to English. So that is, I need your help. So I can say, I need your help, right? So this is how we can use this option. Now let's talk about the second option, which is available in the application to translate a conversation from one language to another. The second option is the camera, which you can see. What we can do is, you just need to take a pic of something written. I mean, if there is a piece of paper where something is written and you really need to translate it, you just need to take a pic of that particular page or a piece of paper, and then it will be translated into the language in which you want. However, I am not going to show you this practically. You can try it. And now I am going to talk about the very useful feature, which is the third one, that is conversation. If I click on conversation, then there will be two fields, I mean two mics available in this, as you can see on the screen. So I need to select two languages in these two fields. Well, side is not the matter. You can select any language in any field, in left or right. Well, so for example, if I want to translate any English sentence into Hindi, so what I need to do here is, I need to select English language in any of the fields. So as it is selected here, you can see it, English, and I want to translate that English sentence into Hindi. So on the left, I need to select Hindi language. as it is already selected. I am just showing you. Well, it is already selected. So what I need to do here is I need to click on the mic of which language I want to translate a sentence. So I want to translate a sentence of English language. I want to know the meaning of that sentence in Hindi. Okay, maybe I am not able to understand it. So I am going to click on English mic. If I click on it, it will allow me to speak or record my sentence, and then it will be translated into Hindi. That's what we will check now. I am going to click on it. If you study, you will pass. Well, so this is how it works. I just spoke that sentence, which you can see here, and the translation of the sentence is just about to the sentence which I spoke. पढ़ोगे तो पास हो जाओगे, and the application itself says that sentence, okay, in this third option, which is conversation. So when it is translated, it is it comes in two forms. One is in audio and another is in text form. So this is how the application works. Hope you find this video helpful, and I repeat, don't use this application frequently to learn language, okay, to learn the English language. Just use this application whenever there is no one around you and you really need to make a sentence but you are not able to do it. In that case, you can take help of this application. And one more thing, verify by someone else who is expert, okay. This is how you can use this application. That is all in today's video. I will see you in my next video.